My name is Marta, I'm a mechanical engineer and I'm doing a test for superconducting magnets in LHC and for HL-LHC. We receive all type of magnets which are based on superconductivity. Magnets which are needed for LHC. LHC is installed, is working in operation. But time by time we have few magnets which has to be changed. We test, we qualify and we send to the LHC. So this is the work that today I would call a little bit standard. Then we have other type of magnets which are in the R&D phase for the prototyping phase of the HL-LHC. So this is a mature technology today, but still completely new. The two characteristics which were missing in the test stand and was needed for the HL-LHC, one was the dimension and the second was the current capability. So therefore we designed a new test stand composed by the main component, a cryostat, a power converter, which allows us today to test those models. Every time the magnet is coming, we don't know what we are expecting from the magnet. So it's very interesting because it's full of instrumentation in which we are participating also from the very early stage to put our instruments in. And finally, you have to understand what you are extracting from the magnet, what these signals are saying, because this is the way how we give the feedback to those who are building the magnets, to say, yeah, this technology is good, or this trial, or this parameter is good. So this is the most exciting work, of course.
This is new object, new technology. This is very different magnets, so we have always new issues, new problems to solve, so it's very exciting.
Once we get the parameters and we agree that this is working well, the next step is to do magnets with those characteristics but longer and to finish such that when they are coming back, they are not anymore so much for the testing, but is for the qualification, and we hope that is the final stage before they are installed in the tunnel.